In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an email to Aweber account. Once you are logged in to your Aweber account and you are on your main dashboard, you will start by going to the subscribers section. This is where Aweber keeps all of the people on your email lists, along with their details like names, tags, and subscription status. In the subscribers area, look for the option that says Add Subscribers and select it to open the subscriber import and entry options. Next, choose Add One by One. This option is best when you are adding a single person manually, such as a new contact you met recently or someone who asked to be added. It also helps you avoid uploading a file when you only need to enter one subscriber. Now you will enter the subscriber information. Type the email address into the email address field and then enter the person's name in the name field. Take a moment to double-check spelling, because this name may appear in your email greetings and personalization. Clean, accurate details here help your emails look professional and reduce the chance of delivery problems. After that, apply any relevant tags. Tags are simple labels you can attach to a subscriber to keep things organized. For example, you might tag someone based on where they came from, what they are interested in, or what stage they are in your process. Using tags now makes it easier later to send targeted emails to specific groups. Then choose where to add this subscriber by selecting the option to add the user to a specific list. Make sure you pick the correct list, especially if you manage multiple audiences, because automations and follow-up messages can depend on which list they join. Next, decide whether you want to send a confirmation email. A confirmation email asks the subscriber to verify their subscription, which can help maintain list quality and consent. Choose the option that matches how you collect permission for this contact. Finally, click Add Subscriber to save everything and add them to your account. After you submit, it is a good idea to confirm they appear in your subscriber list with the correct name, tags, and list assignment. And that is all there is to it.